Watch this for 3 minutes, just 3, and prove to yourself that you can still focus. No scrolling, no skipping, just you and your attention. What if I told you that your focus isn't broken? It's just being stolen. Every time you open your phone, 100 apps compete for your attention. Every scroll, every ping, every red dot is designed to hijack your brain, and it's working. But here's the truth no one talks about. You can rebuild your focus, just like a muscle. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Let's be honest, we live in the most distracted era in human history. You sit down to work, your phone buzzes. You check one message, then 3 more, then you scroll, then you forget what you were doing. We're not lazy. We're overstimulated. Our attention spans are shrinking, not because we're broken, but because they've been rented out to every notification, every dopamine loop, every endless feed. It's like trying to read a book while someone whispers your name every 15 seconds. Of course we can't focus, but that doesn't mean we can't change. Focus isn't something you either have or don't. It's a skill, and skills can be trained. Think of your attention like a muscle. If you never use it, it weakens. But if you train it slowly and intentionally, it gets stronger. And it starts with removing the noise. Start with a 24-hour focus reset. Just one day. No social media, no mindless scrolling, no background noise while working. Write it on paper. Today I will protect my attention. Expect discomfort. That's your brain detoxing from constant stimulation. Design your environment. Don't rely on willpower. Design your space to support focus. Phone in another room. Website blockers for distractions. One tab at a time. One task at a time. Make focus easier than distraction. Use time-focused sprints. Try the 25-5 rule. 25 minutes of deep focus, 5 minutes of break. During those 25 minutes, go all in. No tabs, no pings, just you and the task. You'll be shocked how much you get done and how good it feels. Journal what you notice. At the end of the day, write this down. When did you feel the most distracted? When did you feel most in control? Awareness leads to mastery. You can't improve what you don't notice. Here's what happens when you rebuild your focus. Your work gets better. Your brain slows down. Your anxiety lowers. You start enjoying boredom again. You're no longer a passenger in your own mind. You're driving, and it feels incredible. Look, this world isn't going to get quieter. The distractions will only get louder, flashier, and harder to resist. So you have a choice. Let the world steal your focus or fight for it. One small decision a day is all it takes to build it back. Protect your attention and you'll change your life. If this helped you refocus, subscribe for more videos like this. Like this video to help more people see it. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest distraction right now? Until next time, keep building.